Hello guys, good morning, welcome to my vlog. It's cooking time. See, I'm gonna cook mixed vegetable or bulang lang in Tagalog. In Bisaya is lauoy. May onion and tomato is already in the pot with hot water, boiling water. This is my lady finger or okra, pumpkin or kalabasa in Tagalog. This is my long beans or sitaw, shrimp or hipon, saluyot. I don't know the saluyot in English. Shrimp is rich in iodine. Good for thyroid gland. Pumpkin is rich in good for the skin health and the heart health. Some of the vegetables, especially the long beans, is good for bone health. Some of this one high in fiber, nutrients, minerals, vitamins. Also the saluyo, it's good for to control blood pressure and blood sugar. To help blood circulation. And I already put the onion, tomato and shrimp inside and follow the pumpkin. I mix under the pumpkin. After pumpkin, I need to put the sitaw or long beans. This is my long beans, but I need to wash it before I some of the vegetable there is anti-cancer properties or anti-inflammatory. Some is good for heart health, skin health, eye health. Good for digestive system, to boost immunity. I just season this with salt, black pepper, a little black pepper, if you want you can put cubes, vegetable cubes or any cubes that you want. You don't have vegetable cubes, so I can use any cubes. To flavor the soup. This is more healthy than the meat because the meat is high in cholesterol. This is rich in vitamins, minerals, high in fiber, antioxidant, good for digestive system and to boost immunity, and also good for this one I forgot to cut. Control blood sugar. Vegetable is my favorite food because it's healthy. That we can live long. To make our body strong and healthy. Next, I'll put the... Where's my salt? I need to put the long beans or sitaw in Tagalog. After sitaw, the lady finger or okra. And then, the saluyot, the green leafy vegetable in English. Good for digestive system, the green leafy vegetable. Antioxidant. Anyway, that's all for now. If you like my video, don't forget to click like, leave a comment, suggestion, don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.